too hard to be raw when you come home and there's fresh pasta made.
That sprout sauce is so good.
In the kitchen. Don't you just love it when you get the perfect avocados? So I just ate a half of one actually, and then I figured I better go ahead and use this one. And so I'm gonna actually just make a dressing. Loving you, loving, so make a wish. I added a whole red pepper and then some extra pepper and spices on top. So a little bit different looking. Now, I think I'm ready to start munching. Hey guys, it's me. Been a lazy day pretty much. I've had a little bit of chocolate syrup just kind of by itself, and I kind of just rinsed out the rest of the bottle and drank it because yeah, I had some beans and rice with salad, beans and rice by itself. What else? Ate those dates, showed you those. I think it was just 3 or 4 left. And yeah, I was just feeling really hungry, and I made some stuff for the kids. Well, for Josh, he's the only one home right now, so just being around the food kind of all day. I was like, I count it as a weekend, you know, since it's a snow day. I think I might have some wine actually. It's just kind of one of those days, you know. Put up a few videos early, and I'm gonna try to get my steps in. kind of not that motivated though. And I've only got 3,100, so yeah, I'll get them in. That's the least I can do on a snow day.